With Rental Setup, you can build a website in minutes to rent out party supplies for your business. In this video, we will talk about how you can rent out products like a bounce house and sell something like a case of soda at the same time. Basically, the soda is going to be like an add-on item for when they rent the main item, which is a bounce house. So let's say you rent a bounce house for $300 a day. The customer can schedule the bounce house and buy a case of soda at the same time. They can have both products delivered together, which makes happy customers. Right now, I'm going to make the bounce house product. I'm at the product create page and click on the create button next to where it says standard big ticket product. The create dialog shows up, and I'm going to include multiple images for this bounce house, and I'm going to include the price and custom format text. When I create the page, I go to the product page. On the product page, you can see the image here on the left side. Notice how this image looks, and I'm going to change that image just to show you for a demonstration. And also over here you see the carousel, which shows a slide of the images, so the customer can see multiple images in a carousel. Just for demonstrations, I'm going to show you how to remove the carousel, and I'm going to show you how to select the image that you want as a default image for a product. To make the changes, I go back to the edit page of the bounce house and I uncheck the checkbox that says check to display the carousel. In order to display the default image for the product, I go down to the sort images section. Select the image that I want and click the move left button to make that the first image. The first image is the default image for the product. Now I can go back to the product page and you can see that the chosen image is there and the slideshow is gone. So the changes worked. Now I'm going to create a sales product, which is soda. To do that, I click on the create button next to where it says sales product. I fill in the details and an image. On the create page, you see there is an add to cart button. As a side note, I want to show you how you can show a scheduling calendar input area on the product page so the customer can send you the order on the page instead of using the add to cart button. If we go back to the create page, you will see that the checkbox is checked, and if I uncheck it, the scheduling form will show on the product page. As you can see on the product page, the scheduling form is now visible and the add to cart button is not there. Now I'll go back and check the product page again. You will see that the add to cart button is on the page again. To see why it works like this, check out another video on this channel. Now we are going to see how the customer can place a rental order for a sales item and a rental item. First, I'm going to place a sales order, which is a case of soda. As a customer, I select 3 cases of soda at a price of $12. Then I click add to cart. Then I go to the bounce house page and add that to the cart. I click go to checkout. Then the checkout page shows the 2 items placed in the cart at the top of the page. Notice that the total says that it's $236. To demonstrate how the customer can edit the cart when they check out, I will add one more case of soda to the cart. As you can see, the price went up to $248 for both items. Now the user can schedule when to have the order delivered and receive both items. So as you can see, the customer can schedule jobs for different types of products and receive them at the same time. In this video, you